Chat.
Bust down Rolly Avalanche. Yeah, my open's average. This my first time rapping it. I might go retarded shit. Bad coupe, I'm dashing it. Standing my money, I'm tall as shit. Told them don't you doubt the kid.
Hypothetically, if I went on the train tracks, is it illegal? Because my friend recently went on the train track.
Stop the cap.
It's not safe, don't do it. All YouTube, what is good? Today, we're gonna be sneaking into that train station, the abandoned train station over there. I mean, we got help from the authorities, like to find
Stop the cap.
for educational purposes. Alright, we are in this. Oh my god, how do you do that? You're so hot. Oh my god. What can I say? It's really a staircase. Hello? We come in peace, bro.
Stop the cap.
Alright guys, go down here. Right left. Let's go that way, because there's stairs. Hey bro, look at that. Where the fuck? I'm not going in there, bro. That's how horror movies start, bro. Whoa, there's so many flies there. What is that noise? Those are really stuff. Yo, okay. Another staircase? Wait, does that go to the outside? 3, 2, 1. Hi everybody. Wow, mine's got louder. What the fuck? That goes to nowhere.
I have no knowledge of any of this. This is so bizarre.
Jay-Z. Yo, it's Jay-Z's train. What the fuck? Oh. What's up? Yo, what? Guys, I'm gonna call 911. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think you need to put money in there. I just touched the train. Help! Alright guys, we're about to legally go
Stop
to
the
a
cap.
train station. Alright, don't step on the third rail or you're gonna die. Look at all the graffiti. Chat. Come. Look at that. Oh my god. They're probably cool. Yo, there's a door there. Guys, before we go here, I hate to be that person, but fucking like, subscribe right now because we're risking our lives. You know how it is. So do it right fucking now. I'm gonna rape you. Just give me my money.